Alright guys, in this section we're going to be looking at string reverse code challenge problem. So we're going to solve this simple problem. So in order to solve um, code challenge problem, first thing you need to do is you read your questions. For this example, we're looking at giving a string. The task is to reverse the order of the words in a given string. Now we have cases like gate, quiz, practice code. So we're to reverse it to code practice quiz gate. Now to achieve this, you need to first of all know how you're to go about it. So the flow is going to the flow is going to go this way. So first of all, receive receive the string, receive the string, receive the string in a variable. So the next thing is es- we explode it. We explode the string. The next thing we'll do is we reverse the array. Reverse the array. Then the next thing we do is that we implode or join the array elements back to string. The next is to remember the signatures of the functions involved, and these will put the functions at your fingertips and enable you to think outside the box. This for practice when you are practicing. So let's take note of this. So signatures. So signatures, looking at signatures. First function is explode, and explode will return an array. So to take in delimiter, the first parameter is delimiter. So just take in the string delimiter. Then the next is going to take is the string source, the string you want to get an array from. So let's say source. That's one source. And the next is the limit. So the limit is the number of elements you want to return. For example, if we are to explode these elements using space, but to explode this using space, we have gate, quiz, practice, code. Now, to explode it using space, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can decide to limit it to all. We just need two, the first two elements or first three elements in order. So that's the limit. So that's the limit. So that's for the explode function. The next function here is array reverse. So array reverse. So array reverse. Yeah, this is the signature for array reverse. It returns an array. It takes in an array, then a boolean. Now the boolean is to determine whether to reorder the keys of the array or to preserve it. So the next function is import. This will enable us to get back our string after reversing the array. So implode returns a string. Implode returns a string. It takes in a string as a glue. Then takes in the array. So this is a signature for the function I'm going to work with. So now we create a function. we'll create our function to reverse it. So function str reverse. So it takes in the strings, arrays of string. We take in the string that we want to reverse the words. So next we just reverse it and that's it. So we start with include, then include we takes the glue. The glue we are using is space. For example, this function, this case here, gig quiz practice code. Now looking at this gig quiz practice code, it's separated by space. So we write single space. So we're going to use single space as the glue. Use single space as the glue. Then we need the array. So the array is going to come from the reverse array reverse. So array reverse. And array reverse, then array reverse is going to take an array. So it's going to take an array, and that array is going to come from explode. So it's going to come from explode, and the explode is going to take in the delimiter. The delimiter is space, and we'll take the string. So the string is str, and that's it. Still don't need the third argument. The third argument is for limits. We want the paragraph. So now we're going to test our function. Our function is complete. Now we're going to test our function. So we're going to take this and paste it there. So make this, turn this to proper PHP. So now we're going to say echo. Yeah, we're going to say echo. Let's echo our string, echo str reverse. Then put in the string str. Okay, so now let's run the function. Okay, yeah, not supposed to be str, it's supposed to be x. Alright, so we'll run back our function, and here is the code. So we have code practice quiz gig, so let's sort that out already. So now we run our second case study. This is second case study, so we're going to say. So I just comment this first echo, then taking this. So say s equals that, then just bring back the function again, and run the code. There you go. Okay, so this is successful. So guys, take notes when you are solving code challenge problem or when you are practicing code challenge problem. For you to be efficient, you need to know the signatures of your functions. So it's a good practice to always write out your signatures of the function, so you put your function in your fingertips. So thank you so much for it.